Looking for the best PC gaming controller of 2026? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best PC gaming controllers of 2026, featuring options for competitive gamers, wireless players, and those looking for advanced customization. From ultra-fast polling rates and TMR joysticks to programmable buttons, RGB lighting, and responsive triggers, these controllers offer a range of features to improve your PC gaming experience. Starting at number 1. GameSir G7 Pro Wired Controller for Xbox Series X, S. The GameSir G7 Pro is a feature-packed PC gaming controller designed for competitive and everyday gaming. Its MagRes TMR sticks combine durability with smooth, precise movement, while the Hall effect analog triggers provide accurate and consistent input. On PC, the controller supports an impressive 1000 Hz polling rate through both wired and 2.4 GHz connections for highly responsive gameplay. It also offers tri-mode connectivity, allowing use with Xbox, PC, and Android, plus a built-in gyro for PC aiming. With 4 customizable extra buttons, trigger stops, customizable stick curves, and button-to-mouse mapping through the GameSir Nexus app, it provides extensive control customization. The included 1200 mAh battery and charging station make it especially convenient for longer wireless gaming sessions. Number 2. LENISUOLE for Xbox Controller. The LENISUOLE Xbox controller is a versatile gaming gamepad designed for Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, Windows 10 11, and Android. It features 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, dual vibration, a 6-axis gyroscope, and precision joysticks with 360 degrees auto-calibration. For customization, it includes 16-key macro recording, turbo functionality, and programmable PL/PR back buttons, making it useful for games that benefit from quick commands. The controller also features 17 RGB lights with 9 adjustable lighting modes for a customizable gaming setup, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack for headset audio. Overall, it is a feature-packed option for gamers looking for wireless connectivity, customizable controls, RGB lighting, and immersive feedback at an accessible price. Number 3. 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 Bluetooth Controller. The 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 Bluetooth controller is a versatile premium gamepad for Nintendo Switch, Switch 2, and Windows PC, combining precise controls with extensive customization. It features TMR joysticks for improved sensitivity, accuracy, and durability, along with an RGB fire ring around the sticks. The controller also offers switchable Hall effect linear triggers and tactile triggers, allowing players to choose between smooth analog control and a quicker click-style response. For added flexibility, it includes extra bumpers, 2 programmable back buttons, turbo functionality, vibration, and motion control on switch. The integrated charging dock keeps the controller ready to use and automatically reconnects when removed. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB connections, while the 8-Bit Do Ultimate Software V2 provides additional customization options. Official specifications confirm compatibility with Windows 10 and newer, as well as Switch and Switch 2 with the required firmware updates. Number 4. Razer Wolverine V3 Pro 8K PC Wireless Gaming Controller. The Razer Wolverine V3 Pro 8K PC is a high-performance wireless controller designed specifically for competitive PC gaming. Its standout feature is true 8000 Hz polling in both wired and wireless modes, providing extremely fast input response. It uses anti-drift TMR thumbsticks with interchangeable caps, allowing players to choose different stick heights for speed or precision. The controller also includes 4 mouse click back buttons and 2 claw grip bumpers, giving competitive players 6 additional remappable controls. Its Pro Hyper triggers can switch between fast mouse click activation and full analog control, while the Mechatactile PBT buttons and 8-way D-pad provide crisp, tactile inputs. Through Razer Synapse 4, users can adjust thumbstick sensitivity, remap controls, and save up to 4 profiles. It is compatible with Windows 11 64-bit or higher, supports hyperspeed wireless and wired USB-C connectivity, and comes with a carrying case and 2-meter braided cable. Number 5. DIY Customized 1797 Model Elite Series 2 Controller. The DIY Customized 1797 Elite Series 2 controller, Vest Blue, is an unofficial custom modification built around a new Elite Series 2 controller core and a personalized exterior shell. It supports Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and Elite Series 2, with wireless connectivity and the ability to save up to 3 custom profiles for quickly switching settings between games. The controller features a distinctive Vest Blue custom design, black joysticks, and a dual D-pad setup, making it a visually personalized alternative to the standard Elite Series 2. Since it is an unofficial customized modification, buyers should verify the seller's warranty, included accessories, and exact condition before purchasing.